Today, we're going to unbox and review the 2-in-1 Wi-Fi projector with DVD player from Kmart. Is it worth it? Before I get started, I ask that you take time to read our disclaimer. And while you're reading, please hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already, as it'll really help this channel tremendously. And with that being said, let's get started on the video. This is a 2-in-1 Wi-Fi projector from Anko. As of today, it's currently unlisted as it was part of Kmart's Black Friday sale for 2021. I'm sure due to high demand, it'll come back really soon. But when we bought this product, it was around $99 from Kmart. In the box it includes one projector, one charger, one remote, and the user manual. The projector is around 10 centimeters in height, 20 centimeters in width, and 16 centimeters in depth. It has a built-in DVD player, one USB port, two HDMI ports, one VGA port, and one headphone jack/aux out. It even has its own built-in speaker, as well as Bluetooth capabilities, so you can connect to your own speakers. This product is also Wi-Fi compatible, so you can stream contents from your phones or tablets. In my opinion, the images are okay. They're definitely not as sharp as other projectors. The colors are very washed out, but definitely still watchable. I guess this is what you would expect for a $99 projector. I tested the projector's sound, and this is what it sounded like in real time. But let's now test it out with my Bluetooth speakers.
影から平和を支える名もなき死後、最後に死すぎた時、右目は断層に奪われた後だった。
信頼してくれてありがとう。あとは俺に任せてくれ。
弟はお前のような友を持て。真な天性。
It's definitely 2 times better, so I do recommend getting some sort of portable speaker. In my own personal opinion, I think this product is still 100% worth it. For the price, it's definitely such a bargain. It has everything you need in a projector, so it's perfect for watching movies or gaming. My only concern that I had with this product is the setup and the mirroring. Up until now, I still haven't figured it out completely. In my review, I used the HDMI port with my laptop and it worked perfectly fine. Hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comments below if you bought this item and if you figured out how to stream directly from your phone. Till next time.